If you have Kia Optima that has excessive engine movement and that can cost you thousands of dollars, check out, we will explain what causes that and how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. Let's say you guys have a Kia Optima and that could be practically almost any generation. And when you change gears or shifting gears guys from park to reverse, then drive or backwards guys, or you have manual transmission and you feel quite a bit of engine movement, the engine is moving, rocking back and forth, we will explain the number one reason for that. Okay, that can cause that. But also there are two more things that you need to check. So make sure to stay until the end and we're going to explain what each one of those is. So, if you guys have a Kia Optima generation 2010 to 2015, that video should be helpful. It may be even helpful on the later generation because some things are interchangeable. Let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. In addition, guys, all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima, we'll also share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy tools and parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. Another thing, if you guys want to see our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, you can find quite helpful information for vehicles that can save you thousands of dollars guys, and we're approaching 400,000 subscribers, so we have videos that can save you quite a bit of money. So specifically guys, we have a 2013 Kia Optima, okay, that we will be working on here. And if you notice, when you change the gears guys, it's normal to have a little bit of engine movement. It may move like a half an inch to an inch up and like rocking back and forth. This is because you'll be changing the direction of power to the CV axles and the engine can twist, okay, the transmission will shift direction. So now what guys causes that? That's perfectly normal. But when actually it gets really violent, it's moving quite a bit guys, that can even develop noises, clanking, and that can cause quite a bit of damage. We'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. This means that you have an engine mount that's malfunctioning, and on most Kia Optimas you have 3 engine mounts. One will be right here. You can see the passenger side is for the 4-cylinder engines guys. And this engine mount keeps the engine up, okay, prevents vibrations being sent to the body and limits some of the movement. Then we have another mount which is known as the transmission mount, okay, right there. The same purpose as the passenger side engine mount, but on the right side of the vehicle. And you have one more. That's where most likely the problem is, so we're going to talk about that in just a second. But that extra engine movement, let's rock the engine back and forth, and I want to show you guys that extra engine movement can cause stress on the cooling system, wires, electrical components, on the exhaust system, on the flex pipe. So all that guys can run into expensive repairs, so it's important to fix it as soon as you can before you have to spend thousands of dollars on repairs. So I'm going underneath now guys, and on that Kia Optima right here you have a third engine mount. This is known as a lower engine mount or torque strut mount. We have it disconnected. If that thing malfunctions, it will be the same like almost not having a mount there, because it will allow engine movement guys, because that mount actually keeps the engine from rocking back and forth. And how they malfunction, often the bushings right here can get soft or unglue, break. Also on the back side right there, so that can definitely guys develop quite a bit of headache. Now we'll recommend, okay, if that one is bad, always check the other 2 mounts as well, and we'll recommend to replace all 3 of them at the same time. It's not very expensive and it takes a short amount of time to replace them guys. We have the video on the channel that you can see how to do that, and we'll put a link to the mounts in the description of the video below. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.